Okay, example 7. Okay, well, first off, it doesn't say anything about quadrilateral. It says the endpoints of a circle. So now we are going to be talking about a circle. Okay, for a circle here, we want us to identify the coordinates of the center, find the length of the diameter, and the radius. Okay, so let's start off here. The endpoints of a circle, the endpoints of the diameter xy, where x is located at negative 4, 6. So I'll just go ahead and get a picture here. Negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's x. Y is over here at 2, negative 2. So we've got our circle right here. And I'm going to do my best to say draw said circle, but we have a circle that looks something like that. Okay? Not too bad. Thank you, Notability. Okay, so just a sketch of it. It's not perfect, I know that, but that is essentially the circle we were dealing with. Negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That looks good, and 2, negative 2. So the center of the circle, we can kind of guesstimate, it's going to be roughly right about there. But I don't honestly want to guesstimate, and plus my picture is not stellar. So how can I find the coordinates of that center then? Somewhere around here. Well, we've seen this before. That is our midpoint formula now being in action. So let's do the midpoint formula. Average of the x's, common average of the y's. So in this case, we're going to take the endpoints of the diameter. X, so let's see, negative 4 plus x2, y1 plus y2. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2, negative 1. 6 plus negative 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So my center is at negative 1, comma 2. Which I can buy that. Negative 1, 2. Okay. Length of the diameter. Well, that's where I'm going to go ahead and use distance formula or Pythagorean theorem. I haven't used distance formula frequently, so I'm going to go ahead and do distance formula. The length of xy, which is going to be my diameter, change in the x's, squared, plus the change in the y's, squared. Watch your arithmetic. Negative 4 minus 2 is negative 6 squared. 6 minus negative 2 is 8 squared. 16 plus 64. And 16 plus 64 is 80. Wait, sorry. Let me go back. I made a mistake right here. Negative, I thought that was a 4. I can't read my own handwriting. That was a negative 6. Apologize for that. That is 36. And 36 plus 64 is 100. And the square root of 100 is 10. Easy mistakes to make. Just watch those type of things. So that was the diameter we just found. So if the diameter is 10 units, and the radius is half the diameter, so 5 units. Now part D, give me the area. So our area of a circle we know is pi r squared. The radius, you better make sure you use the radius, is then 25 pi square units. Go to your calculator, type in 25 pi. Use the pi key on your calculator. Nearest tenth it says 78.5. Circumference, 2 pi r or pi d, either one, I don't care. The radius was 5, the diameter was 10. Either way, it's 10 pi then. 10 pi in your calculator, put it into the grid response, 31.4. Okay. Again, if we were doing SAT,